Hello everyone, this is Vanishri from Jain University, CMS B School. So as a part of cross-culture management assignment, I'm talking about the similarities and differences of India and Indonesia country. So Indonesia is a country in Southeast Asia made up of a island and a part of island, such as one half of an island of New Guinea and another half of is Indonesia. Also, island of Borneo, that most of the island belongs to Indonesia, Malaysia and a small state of Borneo. So whereas India is a huge country of second population, highest population around the globe. So first talk about the similarities of these two countries. As India and Indonesia, the first three words of these two countries has IND. So let's talk about how they got this name. As India, the name it is named after a river called Indus River. So which is Sanskrit called Sindhu. In Sanskrit it is called as Sindhu. So and took that name in the Hindu and hence India got its name. So, as you can know, most of the religious in India are Hindu people. And we believe that Indonesia is named after India. So, yes. So, during 1816, the Indonesia was under the control of Dutch Empire. So, there was known as Dutch East Indies. So, in spite of being under the Dutch control, but it got named by the British people. So the German physician called Adolf Bastianin according to his experience in this Indonesia beautiful city, he gave the name Indonesia. So Indonesia, Indo means India and Asia means island. So coming about the language of these two countries, they have got similar kind of language. For example, if you take a Hindi word called Manushya, even they have we say as Manusya. And if you take a Tamil word called Petty, even they say Petty. So the meaning of these two countries, the meaning of the word from these two countries are similar, but they pronounce it different. So talking about the god of the Indonesia which they worship, so they have a god called Batra Guru, which means a Lord Shiva, and even they have a stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So hence they worship god like Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Ganesha, Rama. Indonesia have a Chinese religion and culture, and most of the population of Indonesia is Muslim. Also, the Bali, which is the beautiful and main island in Indonesia, it has most population of Hindu. Also, Indonesia has Christian and Buddhist. Indonesia, which is not so far from the India, have a similar kind of languages, religious, God. Also, agriculture is one of the main occupation of Indonesia. They even grow palm oil, natural rubber, cocoa, coffee, tea, cassava and rice, even tropical spices. Also, it is a developing country. So now let's talk about the differences of these two countries. So the festival of the Indonesia is very different from the India. For example, Bahu Nail is a fishing festival, and the Pasalo festival wherein the two men on their horseback charge at the other and try to defend their opponents from his horse using a traditional spear. And the Nyepi festival, which is the Day of Silence, which is popularly known as Day of Silence, where it is popularly celebrated in the island of Bali as a start of a new year. And why, sir? It is a festival for the Buddhist people, And Gaunan is the Hindu ceremony that is performed in Bali to make the time when the spirits of ancestors return home. Also, the Biliam Valley Festival, so it is done as the act of fertility blessing and prosperity rituals. Also, they have a Kisoro ceremony which is done in stunning Mount of Bruma on island of Java. So this is done to get our offerings and pray to ensure that volcano does not erupt. Also, the Karokota festival, the same as the Kosoro ceremony. Also, they have a national day as a Indonesian Japan Independence Day, where they got independence from Dutch colonization in 1945. Whereas we have Makara Sankranti, Diwali, Ganesha Chaturthi, Onam, Pongal, Ramzan, Eid Mubarak, Christmas. So coming to the dishes of the Indonesia, it is very different from the Indian culture because most of the Indonesians are non-vegetarian, so they do eat chicken, beef, pork and duck. So coming to the dress of the Indonesia, they have got a most popular dress called kebaya. It is the national costume for the women, and also they wear gold and crowns as a symbol of their Indonesian culture. And most important dress called sarong. It is a long piece of clothes wrapped around the body from waist down, and also they have got a batati and PC, which is the appropriate men attire. So even the buildings and temples are different from the Indian culture because most of the temples are built as a Chinese style culture.